let's start it off from here. This is the end stage, right? So, Friday, rebel troops, getting ready to leave, baby. Just before leaving, I get a phone call. Hello. And to find out that my son is not doing well. Then what I did, boom, gone. Alberton. Had to take my son and make sure that he's sharp because he's on chemotherapy. So he had a bit of a problem and he had a fever.
We just got her. So that one of
Luckily, sorted that out, got back home. Right? Go to rebel troops. Now I'm riding alone. Alright, second top up. We'll see how much this one gets up to. Well, yeah, gets up to. What the hell kind of English is that? So we'll see where this one picks up. I think maybe like 100 and something, like 120, 130 maybe. Yeah, bats, SP2. No, bat cuslicks. These bat cuslicks are wicked. They are hot, boy. Hot. So I'm not gonna stop now. I'm gonna carry on. There's those guys over there, but I'm gonna leave them behind. I'm not gonna wait for them. Yeah, sure. I'm pushing to get there quick. I'll try to get there so that before the sun goes down. Hey! I almost get taken out by a Hilux. No, get to where we booked that because we're actually sleeping over somewhere.
You know, baby. You know.
Okay.
Record time. The road to rebel troops is too straight. I did not enjoy it at all. It's too straight. Look at my tire. I couldn't even close it off. Look here. I couldn't even close it off, and this is a brand new tire. Oh,
the level of beverage conception was on another level. Then we start. Then we go in and then this happens.
It's a music video, baby.
Yeah, and then?
When did I do the interview? I think so.
You're gonna be on YouTube, you know that, right?
No, I don't want to.
Oh, you don't have.
So now, getting ready to go down, baby. So
It's going down, baby. It's going down. Hi, we come back and you know me, I can't sleep. We can't sleep. We start rocking all night into Saturday morning. Okay, I take a nap. Saturday morning, take a nap, maybe like
2-3 hours, and then I'm up. Back in the beverages, baby. Ramomona.
We're in the gym, baby. We're in the gym. Hey. Sathala maputa. Sathala maputa.
KRR, baby. Where is it? One ride, one round, two. Then how do you play? Yeah, kids. I don't know. Okay. I always tell myself, but I didn't Okay.
Sajima, I don't know what's a protein. Protein. Half. Drinking competition.
We started mormoning again. More money. And then we met up with other people there. Luckily, those people, I knew them.
Should I? Hey, no entry. No.
That's for no entry. That's what
And then I got a funny call or a funny request from some other person who kind of knew me from another person, which was actually quite crazy. They actually overheard my voice in the background while that person was talking on a video call. Saturday. Saturday we were supposed to go to the event. Earlier on, there we are chilling, Tina. It's going down, baby.
Oh, that's the fafa.
Then comes Saturday evening. Saturday evening, we're supposed to go to the event now. Then we go stock up.
You. I'm saying you.
Remember, I'm a bit drunk. Don't forget that I didn't sleep. And then now we are getting into it, and I'm now there with other people. Now everybody wants my attention. We have 2 cooler boxes full, 2 coffin-filled cooler boxes filled with beverages, baby, with the mormoning. Because you know it's the life, baby.
Video boy. CIA, baby. You know how it is, boy.
I'm walking. Then, hey, there we go. I get into a verbal fight with this other person. Fine. There we busy chilling. I'm there now gone. 5 hours. I vanished for like 5 hours.
Let's see if that's not nice one. Let's just make some party tonight.
Only to find out I was there at the water with some other people. So if you guys are still watching this video, this is the life that I had the past weekend. And if you guys liked it, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. That's the most important thing.
Sake. Cheers.
Hi man. Hey. Whoa, man. Hi, man. Hey. No.
Then comes Saturday evening. I was tired. I couldn't anymore. I was gone. Fine. Sunday was supposed to have left long ago from the place that we had booked at. Okay. But while we were chilling, then the beverages started coming, baby. Oh, you know, boy. It's the law. You going in. Hey, going in. But close to the time we were supposed to leave, starts raining. Starts pissing down hard. Now what? We get delayed another 2-3 hours. Only to find out that now, when I have to leave, I got a dark visor on. I can't see clearly. I'm riding home with like 2 other guys, and we're still like 2 hours away from home. Then we had to now ride in the rain, and it's cold. And it was cold. But luckily, I was able to get home. Everything happened, and that was very cool.
Cold, yo. Cold.
I'm gonna be doing way more vlogs like this, like full on what happened the whole weekend. Even this coming weekend, we are planning it again. Because it's gonna go down, baby. Oh.